pera, hindi pa kayo pumupunta sa objective, sa end situation. You were getting there already, kaya hindi kayo nagbabanatan eh. Hindi kayo, tapos pagbalik siya, pam, kaya sinasabi ko dito kasi, utak kayong dalawa, matalino kayong dalawa, ginawa kayo ng authorization. That's why we have all those authorization exercises, right? And then, you feed something, there's silence. You feed something, there's silence. You already did it so many times. And when we went to the pause, and then you did it already, day one. So I won't accept it, hindi magagawa. Figure out and end up, you have like 10, 15 seconds of banatan and end up laughing. Figure it out and show me because we're not going to ever laugh as if it's ano. Okay? Guys, okay, put it shine. Shine. Sige. Ate Ayer.
Power lang. Staging. Kuya, patulong naman ang extension.
Excuse me.